Hello, this is Tony with those are case breaks, doing the last box of 16 Prizm football for Hit Me Now, Lucky Lucky Chicken Bone. Let's get you that DAC. A DAC. For Elliot. Elliot didn't do too well, though, but DAC played very well. Yep, or Wentz. Both of them looked super solid. What's up, Derek? Alright, good luck. Orange Pharaoh Cooper. Jacoby Brissett out of 75 for the Patriots. This is Jason's. Hello, sir. Okay. Alright. Alright, sounds good. Alright, bye. Is what frozen? Bowringer? Purple? The stream's not frozen, is it? Uh oh. Steve Young. Danny Woodhead at 99. Nick Vanette. Cal Rudolph. Quentin Payton and DeMarcus Robinson for the Chiefs. That is your third auto. Tony Brown, Hargreaves, third, Hackenberg. Crowder, Amendola out of 149. Dickerson, so no. Matt Ryan, Victor Cruz, blue. Orange, Bridgewater. And that'll be it. And I have 2 packs. Good luck. Yeah, I believe so. I haven't seen any that were not refractors. Oops. Tyler Boyd out of 50. And Cardell Jones out of 699. Both numbered. And 2 out of 25. Braxton Miller hat relic, I believe. I think it is thick. Yep, game one. Enclosed player worn material hat. Well, there you go. Congrats, appreciate it as always, and we'll see you guys next time.